What if you worked somewhere that helped put the spotlight on new discoveries? Where you can be part of progress, helping researchers, clinicians, and educators find solutions to the world's greatest challenges? What if you could develop your curiosity?
I have made the most of the 5 days of learning and development that Springer Nature offer all employees by taking a training course where I learned valuable online presentation skills, which have given me a lot more confidence when presenting my own work.
I championed Professor Xiaolong Zhou's journal, which helps eliminate neglected tropical diseases, to become our first inspiring animated science stories film.
Springer Nature offers a nurturing environment that fosters innovation. I was recognized and awarded for integrating artificial intelligence, video software technology in science communication, and for implementing peer review rewards through impactful donations.
What if you could stretch your horizons?
I've been given immense opportunities, like being a part of the FT Women in Business cohort. Springer Nature really values its employees and creates immense opportunities, especially for women in technology like me, to grow and follow their passion.
I became the chair of the SDG5 Gender Equality Group, and I brought together a number of colleagues from our company's global presence. Together, we delivered an impactful and visible program of advocacy.
We've been working with the Ministry of Education in Nicaragua for the last 5 years. And the ministry director told me that she recently visited a school in a rural area of the country, and she was really surprised to see a little girl greeting her in English and telling her how much she loves speaking English. Without the resources we produced, this little girl probably wouldn't have a chance to learn English and be better equipped for her future. So being part of that kind of progress is just amazing.
What if you could just be yourself?
Taking part in the DEI mentorship program has allowed me to pay forward some of the support I've received and share some of the knowledge I've accumulated.
I'm delighted to be part of the Springer Nature Disability Diversity Network, SDNN, and I'm even more proud of the fact that I got to co-found the network here at Springer Nature. It aims to foster an inclusive culture for people with disabilities or who are neurodivergent within the business.
I worked with the business to introduce sustainable practices to help us become certified as a plastic-free office, and our diligent efforts had earned us the 3-star plastic-free seal.
I recently took part in the workation program at Springer Nature, where you can work for 20 days from another location every year. This allowed me to return to Spain for a little bit longer for my new baby's christening during the summer, which allowed me to flex work and life and meant a lot to everyone in my family.
Develop your curiosity, stretch your horizons, and just be yourself. Be part of progress at Springer Nature.